this.
So how long have you been pinstriping, Charlie?
I've been pinstriping for about 5 years.
Yeah. And how did you kind of get into pinstriping?
Everyone was doing an airbrush, picking up an airbrush and doing a course and being an artist in about 2 weeks. So I thought I'd pick up something that needed a bit of talent.
So what's the sort of main sort of work you do? Is it custom cars and?
Yeah man, custom cars and hot rods normally.
Yeah. And you said you had about 10,000 people watching you when you're down at the beach hop.
Yeah, that would have been the most nerve-wracking time I've done to do any pinstriping.
So you managed to pull it off alright?
We got through, I think, when they threw Greg Murphy in the tailgate, he smudged it all anyway, so.
So other than a steady hand, what else does it take? An eye for detail?
Yeah, probably knowing when to stop.
Yep.
It all comes with just practice and making mistakes and learning from them. So, yeah, much like life in general, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that, isn't it? Yeah, sounded good.
What tips would you give budding pinstripers?
Practice, 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 man.
Yeah.
Yeah, just all about brush paint.
What about your supplies? You can buy supplies here readily in New Zealand?
Yep, you can buy them here. It's personal preference really. At the end of the day, I get a lot of mine from America.
Okay. You buy them online?
Yep.
Yes, no problem shipping them across and that?
I just got, plenty of friends that don't mind sticking them in containers and the back of cars for me, yeah.
Yeah.